Tumble down the rabbit hole into Pandora's Manor, a sprawling colonial revival, recently restored and reinvented as an upscale bed and breakfast. Meet the roster of A-list designers who've each been given a bedroom as a fresh palette, and see how they've worked their magic to bring this home back to life and honor its classic American appeal.
Hi, my name is Celerie Kemble. I'm an interior designer. I work out of Palm Beach, Florida and New York City. As I was designing my bedding and decorative pillow collection, Pandora's Manor was sort of brewing in the background as an idea and then came to fruition. So I was able to design some of my collection with the certainty that it would end up in this room. I'm a pretty self-indulgent designer, so when I'm designing a room, I think about how I would want to experience it. I like to work with a lot of pattern and texture, and I find as long as you balance scale, a room can take so many layers, and almost the more you put in, it becomes more refined and more intricate as opposed to more clunky and overbearing. I like to keep the, the elements to a floral, a stripe, a soft weave, some geometrics. And if you were to go through and count the different style patterns in the room, I probably have hit just about all of them. Each one sits either in the foreground or the background in relation to the others. It becomes sort of a broader and more serene environment than you would expect. I lucked out to have this incredible corner suite of a bathroom attached to my bedroom at Pandora's Manor. The trick with my bathroom is that it's a room. There's this incredible freestanding tub and a steam shower. I mean, I feel like I could spend an afternoon in there. It's such a luxury to have a bathroom where you can close yourself off and have this entire world of light and water. One of the most exciting things for me about putting this room together was that I got to unite pieces from a few of my other licensed collections. So I haven't gotten to see my wicker stripe wallpaper on the wall next to a headboard covered in thicket, which is this, I don't even know how many colors there are in that fabric. And a lot of these pieces never see one another up close. So it's really fun for me to put them in the same space.